Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your chicken for a delicious Gambian yassa. In this video, I will show you how to cook Gambian chicken yassa. First, you'll want to marinate your chicken pieces. Combine the chicken with the juice of 2 to 3 lemons, about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly in a large bowl, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or even better, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. Next, we'll build the flavorful base for our yassa. Thinly slice 3 to 4 large onions, then sauté them in a large pot with about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil over medium heat. Cook them slowly until they are beautifully caramelized and golden brown, which can take around 20 to 30 minutes. Once the onions are ready, remove them from the pot and set them aside. Now, brown your marinated chicken pieces in the same pot until they have a nice golden crust on all sides. Now it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Return the caramelized onions to the pot with the brown chicken. Pour in about 1 to 2 cups of chicken broth, just enough to partially cover the chicken, and add a few bay leaves for an aromatic touch. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes. This allows the chicken to become incredibly tender and absorb all the rich flavors of the sauce. Almost there. Before serving, give your yassa a taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch more salt or pepper to your liking. If you enjoy a bit of heat, you can carefully add 1 or 2 whole Scotch bonnet peppers to the pot during the last 10 minutes of simmering, but be cautious as they are quite spicy. Serve this delicious Gambian chicken yassa hot, traditionally alongside fluffy white rice or couscous, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.